In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way of testing to make sure that your blades on your lawnmowers or your zero turns or your brush hogs, whatever, are balanced. The easiest way is to use a thimble on a screwdriver and then mount your blades. Or you can use a piece of wood and a screw, and I'll show you that as well. So let's get to it. So this is what I have set up. I have a thimble on a screwdriver in my vise, and I'm just going to put, you can see that it's centered. I'm just going to put these blades on here to see how balanced they are. So this blade was one of the originals that came on my Zero Turn, and you can see I had already chipped it, so I must have hit something. But this side's fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the thimble and see if it's level. And it's a bit low on this side. You see that? So it's a bit low. Might be hard to see on camera, but trust me, it is low. And that's because this side is lighter because there's less material. So what you usually do then is you would then grind some on this side to make it level. So let's take a look at this blade that has no nicks out of it. And that's pretty much level. And then we're going to test out this blade. Oh yeah, you see that's not level at all. So we know we have a problem with this one. So let's go fix these two blades and then we'll come back. And we'll see if we can take enough material off to equal out this nick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grind this to bring this edge back as much as I can. And then we'll measure it again and we'll take some more off this side. Okay, so now that that's done, let's see if we get better balance now. If you don't have a thimble or a screwdriver, you can use a piece of wood. Can you even see that? And now you can put your blades on that. And depending on how it lines up, it might be a bit off. But you can get a sense if it's level or not. So that looks pretty good to me. Let's check the other one. Now let's check this one. Yeah, see, this side's heavier than this side, so we're gonna have to take some off of this side here. That's clearly, yeah, we're clearly heavy on this side. So what we're gonna wanna do, remember, is we have to take some off this side, so we're gonna put this in here. That takes a lot more force than I thought. I thought I was just gonna be able to bend it. Not going so well. All right, let's go take it over to the press. That's getting better. Let's go measure that. We'll see if we're getting closer with the board. Oh, look at that. We're almost right on. I think that's good. Let's try it with the thimble. Oh, I'm happy with that. So there you go. That is how you balance the blades with nothing more than a thimble. So I hope you enjoyed that little video. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a thimble to save your blades and your equipment on things like snowblowers.